X, or in Sophie we need to bring some change in the length or in absorption. So as we have our factory in India and our demand and make the changes in the product itself. So even in the Life Free last time when we met with the retailers in the size.
I've been fortunate enough to have such men around me, and I wish the same for everyone, honestly.
So I completely get where you're coming from, the crankiness, the mood swings. You sometimes want to just pluck your hair and be like, why is it happening, right?
Get your chums on time. I mean, like, they're just, they come, they go, then they come back. It's insane when you have PCOS. But, I mean, hats off to you.
Hats off to us. Hats off to us. To all of us. To all of us.
Creams, preferably if my boyfriend is buying it for me, that's great. But I don't have a boyfriend, so kudos to being a strong, independent woman. Except for that, I love just some McDonald's, peri-peri fries, high in sodium, low in nutritional value. And except for that, I just crave cuddles, which again, I don't have, so.
What are the three emotions, strong emotions you go through? Who do you reach out to?
So every month before I get my period, I have one day where I am crying for absolutely no reason. I drop a glass of water, it's tears central, anything happens, and I'm like, why is this happening? And then the next day, I get my period, and I'm always equally surprised, like it's not a monthly occurrence. So it goes from like sadness to shock that I got something that happens same date every month, and then it goes to acceptance, and then after 4 days I go back to being myself, which is just happy. But those 4 days are just doom, but also like, thank God I got my period again this month.
Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you for having me. I'm here today to launch this new and amazing product. I think that I'm so excited to be here. I think that as a woman, I see that during our periods, hygiene and comfort and just safety and security is just so important. And this new product, Sophie Antibacterial, it helps with the same. It has 6-layer deep absorption, which is just amazing, prevents any kind of itchiness. And the Herbal Shield is also really great. So I'm really excited to be here to be launching this for Sophie. Thank you.
But also for her authenticity and empowering women, and that is why you are our brand ambassador. Thank you so much. You're looking lovely in pink.
Thank you.
We both are twinning. So thank you for sharing your experience of Sophie. But we have something really cool. We don't just have that one product. We have one more to go.
I know.
Yes. Shall we go with the unveiling of that? Yes? All right. Ladies and gentlemen, all eyes on the screen. Here we go. especially during periods when you want to really rant. Sometimes you forget your periods. This is a very cool app.
Definitely. And I think that, on a personal note, I think that the work that I do, sometimes it can get really hectic. Sometimes there's a lot of traveling, movement involved. Apart from just my job, I also love traveling just generally. I'm quite a high energy, hectic person in general. So I think that, as a woman, we have so many roles that we play. As women, we have so many roles that we play. So whether it's being at home, whether it's going out with your friends, whether it's working, shooting, traveling, exploring, trekking, it's always good to know that you're safe and comfortable, secure. You can move fearlessly. And of course, there's also like a hygiene and safety aspect. So I think that it's just great. And I think through this app, it's amazing that we can obviously track, but also journal, kind of, write down how we feel. And like it said itself, it's like your own kind of best friend with you all the time. So that's nice.
Absolutely right. In fact, what I really like is the way they explain the emotions that you're going through, and you can actually select these emotions. Okay, today I feel a little down, today I feel better, I feel excited. So I like that aspect about the app. What do you love and which stands out for you?
No, like I said, I think that it's a combination of everything. I think just, being able to track so
Yeah.
that you're prepared at all points of time, but also just to be able to have like an outlet, right? Like sometimes you're just like, need to just talk really
Pen
quickly.
down, yeah.
So it's nice to just have like a app that allows you to kind of focus on how you feel mindfully, kind of deal with emotions, especially during our periods. And kind of gives you an excuse also, when you want to order that extra chocolate, you're like, okay, this is why. So it's good.
I always forget my periods. So for me, this app is like, it's a boon. Because I'm like, I always forget. I'm like, I don't know when my periods is going to be. And like, now I have a best friend. Thank you. So you know what? Let's do this, Sarah. I'm going to ask our folks here to download the app so that they can experience this for themselves. So I'm going to go down. And ladies and gentlemen, we have given you have a band, right? So I want you to quickly go ahead and just scan that QR code, which is there in your band. So, Sarah, firstly, tell me this. What inspired you to be the brand ambassador of Sophie?
Firstly, thank you for making me the brand ambassador of Sophie. I think that the brand's commitment to innovation and empowering women in general, I think deeply resonates with the kind of person that I am. I, as a girl, really believe that comfort and confidence is important. And I think that this brand enables women to feel that way.
Fabulous, fabulous. I'm sure you have a lot of experiences when you have to go ahead and choose the right hygiene product for yourself. How do you go about with it?
Well, now I just use Sophie, so it's very simple and actually very comfortable and very hygienic and very easy. So that's the answer.
Fabulous. So, there are a lot of times during our
So, well, I think I could be better with it than I am. But I do try. And I think that with any kind of self-care, I think the most important thing is to try, and mindfulness. Whatever you do, I think that, whether it's food, whether it's anything really, I think just being mindful enables you to just have a more full and aware and meaningful experience with anything in life. I also think that balance is key. So I think taking out enough time to do whatever makes you physically, mentally, and soulfully happy and full. Those are things that I personally value doing. Traveling, working out, other things as well.
Meditation also.
Yeah, meditation for sure. I think that, like I said, whatever helps you feel connected to yourself then enables you to connect with and to people better. So yes, I think meditation as well, of course.
Thank you so much. Ikeda-san, moving to you. So how do you plan to address the rural India in our country?
Thank you for asking. So, 農村の皆さんに合った新商品をどんどん出していくっていうことだと思います。
So we definitely try to introduce new products to the people, rural villages people.
それとプロジェクトジャグリティというプロジェクトを通じて農村の皆さんに啓蒙活動していくってことも大事だと思います。
And with also Project Jagriti, we are supporting the rural person and introducing the new things to them.
So I'm sure there are a lot of potential challenges that are there in the market. How do you plan to overcome them as a brand?
Yeah. まだインドにおいてはナプキンの普及率がまだ低いです。
So if you consider Indian market, definitely the ratio is low.
なのでこういったイベントなども通じてナプキンの普及活動をしっかりしていきたいというふうに思っています。
But with events like this, we definitely wanted to increase our market space.
What do you think is going to be your long-term goal for Unicharm?
Yeah. So 我々マミポコパンツはナンバーワンのシェアをインドでいただいてます。
As Mami Poco Pant is definitely number one at this point of time in India.
なのでソフィーもサラさんのサポートをいただいてナンバーワンになりたいなと思
And
って
with
ます。
support of Sara Ali Khan, definitely we wanted to be number one in Sophie also. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And Aisan, moving to you. So what are the features of Sophie that you absolutely love? I love the comfort. I'm wearing one. So what about you?
Yeah, thank you for asking. And thank you for trying our product today.
Yes.
And as you know, そうですね。I'll explain in Japanese. 3つの特徴があるかなと思います。
There are three specific characteristics in the brand.
で、1つ目は体にしっかりフィットしてきちんと漏れを防げるという基本的な機能です。
The first one is it is definitely a suitable fit for the body and the leakage is definitely not there in that product.
そして2つ目が先ほどサラが説明してくれた通り深いディープアブソベンシーがあるのでトップシートがサラサラにドライに保てるところです。
So there is a deep absorbency and there is a dryness of filling in because of the sheet.
そして3つ目が、トップシートが柔らかくって不織布でできているので肌にとってもいいというところです。
The sheet is very skin friendly, very soft and that is a very specific characteristic of the product.
私はちっちゃい時からソフィーを使っているのでインドの皆さんにも試してほしいなと思ってい
As
ます。
definitely Aisan is using Sophie product from childhood, so wanted to use everyone the same product.
Thank you so much. How important it is for you to advocate the right products for women when it comes to women's hygiene and comfort?
女性の皆さんはすごい共感してくれると思うんですが、自分が不衛生に感じると結構自信がなくなっちゃうかなと思います。
So comfort and hygiene definitely is very important. When there is anything discomfort is there, the woman loses his own personal the sensitivity towards that.
なのでそこで私たちのアンチバクテリアは唯一アンチバクテリアルマテリアルですね、抗菌剤が含まれているので皆さんが衛生的でいられるなとか自信持っていられるなっていうふうに生理期間でも思ってもらえると思います。
So because of the antibacterial things used in that product, so the woman feels very comfortable and having that life to live in that particular moment.
Yeah. The most important thing in India right now is period education, and with the interaction you came to know that a lot of men also are supporting this cause, empowering women, which is beautiful, right? So how does Sophie as a brand bring in period education in your marketing strategy?
Yeah, thank you. as I explained, 私たちは学校でのピリオドエデュケーションも行っています。
As I explained you earlier, we are also having school education which we are providing that about hygiene.
ですが、それだけだとパーソナライズが足りてないと思います。
We also know that much of education is not sufficient. For that, we are also implementing other things.
で一人一人生理の量もサイクルも全部違うので、一人一人のタイミングに合わせて適切な商品だったりサイクルをだったり知識を教えることが一番大事だと思うので、今回ソフィーアプリをローンチすることにしました。
As everyone having a different type of feeling about the periods, different timings, different factors, so we are having applied this one. Sophie application app lab app has been implemented for you to check.
Thank you so much, Aisan, for that initiative. And now we would move to Mr. Ashish Verma. So, Mr. Verma, tell me this: how do you plan to boost your sales? What is the strategy?
Yeah, thank you for asking. I think the most important for any FMCG company is to make the coverage expansion, and as we are the leading coverage coverage we have for baby care, in the same manner we have to expand our coverage for Sophie brand and also to make the product more visible to the consumer and to the retailer side. And so our job is to make it more expansion and as well as to make it more accessible to the consumer.
I'm sure that customer feedback is taken into account while you're going about with your marketing strategy. How has that shaped up your marketing?
So as we all know, the consumer is the king actually, and that's how all the manufacturers has to believe in, and that's how the manufacturer takes the insight of the consumer as a very strong point for making the changes in the product. And now with the influence of the social media, it is becoming very, very important for the manufacturers to understand and take it as the feedback and make the changes in the product and make the changes in the innovation and also to replicate the same to their sales strategy and along with the marketing strategy, so that the winning moment should be there and the consumer who stands for the brand has to be accepted and their point of view has to be taken into consideration. Yeah.
Right. But what is the biggest challenge currently you all are facing as a brand, and how are you all overcoming that?
I think post-COVID, the market has changed and there is a big change in the dynamics of the consumer. There is overall the pattern what we used to have before COVID and post-COVID, there is a big change. So keeping that change in the mind of the consumer as well as in the market, we are trying to make the product more innovative. And that's how, being a Japanese company, as I said during my speech, that we always look forward that consumer is the first preference. On the basis of that, we try to make the changes in the product, and that's how we said that the action has to be set accordingly. So I think we need to be very updated as far as the market is concerned, and we need to be really updated as far as our all channel strategies are concerned. And for that, the retailer partnership is very, very key and important to us.
They're sitting right here.
Thank you very much.
All guns ready to go and sell Sophie, isn't it? Yes, yes. I see the excitement. एक बार जोरदार तालियां for our retailers, ladies and gentlemen. They are the ones who really believe in our product. Thank you so much. And every woman deserves comfort and confidence. And with Sarah by our side, definitely we are going to rock, isn't it?